the number of cancers in the next 20 years are going to just double. Half of the cancers occur above the age of 60 years. Hepatitis B and C is an important cause for liver cancer. So what are the important risk factors for developing cancer? Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ajesh, robotic and laparoscopic cancer surgeon. Today, I want to discuss some of the important risk factors that contribute to development of cancer. Now, as we know, cancers are increasing drastically. The number of cancers in the next 20 years are going to just double. Let us understand what are these risk factors that are responsible for these increasing cancers. Now, number one, the most important one is the age. As we keep aging, with every cell division, there are certain amount of errors which can happen at the genetic material. And with accumulation of these errors, the cells in our body can get mutated and change into cancerous cells. So as we keep aging, age is one of the most important risk factors. When we look at the total number of cancers, almost half of the cancers occur above the age of 60 years. So this is an important age where we must be mindful of recognizing any changes in our body and must be quick to get yourself examined and evaluated in time. Now, the next important factor is the lifestyle. Drinking alcohol, smoking, tobacco, even smokeless forms of tobacco can be harmful for your body and are known and proven factors of cancer. Having foods which are highly salted, which are deep fried, which are rich in fat, which are pickled. So having foods which are less in nutritive value, which do not have enough antioxidants, even consuming foods and beverages in an extremely hot form. Now, as Indians, we like to have our food hot. That hot coffee that we have, that hot tea that we have can over a period of time sometimes end up being harmful. Now, there are certain infections. Hepatitis B and C is an important cause for liver cancer. There is a bacteria called as Helicobacter pylori, which can be responsible for stomach cancer. Human papilloma virus, a very commonly found virus, is an important cause of cancers of the cervix, anal canal, and even oropharyngeal cancer. The other important factor is the pollution, the environmental exposure to UV ultraviolet light. This can again result in skin cancers, especially melanomas. Exposure to certain industrial chemicals. Now, benzene, vinyl chloride, these are chemicals which are found in rubber and paint industry, and they are again proven to cause cancers. People who are exposed to asbestos, especially in the construction industry, asbestos is again inhaled and is responsible for lung cancer and a particular type of cancer, what we call as mesotheliomas. Now, last but not the least, all cancers have a genetic basis, but not all are hereditary. About 10% of cancers are because of children inheriting the affected genes from their parents, what we call as hereditary cancers. Now, these are quite common, especially in breast and ovarian cancers, what we call as the BRCA syndrome. The other cancers which run in families are colorectal cancers. Especially, we have families who have a lot of polyps in their colon, what is called as the polyposis syndrome. And these are again an important cause of hereditary cancers. Now, sometimes there can be pancreatic cancers, there can be melanomas, there can be prostatic tumors, which are also running in families. Now, to summarize, the important causes of cancers are number one, an increasing age, two, the lifestyle that we lead, three, some important infections, four, the pollutants and the environmental factors that we are getting exposed to, and five, last but not the least, is the hereditary cancers, which can sometimes run in families. Do follow me for more awareness on cancer and help me spread the awareness on cancers. Thank you.